Today's video will be very interesting because we've prepared beautiful ideas for your garden and relaxation area. There will be cozy corners, wooden accents, greenery, and solutions that instantly change the mood of the space. Watch until the end so you don't miss the most successful ideas. A green screen immediately makes an open terrace more private, while a fireplace and woven chairs turn it into a calm place for relaxation. A semicircular shape works better than a regular straight bench. It brings people facing each other and immediately creates a cozy corner. When the lawn, path, and shrubs follow one rounded line, even a large garden starts to look well thought out and cohesive. A good idea for a tight space: plants go along the edges, while the free center remains open and convenient for movement. A canopy provides shade and a reliable anchor point, and soft cushions make this swing a full-fledged place for long rest. An outdoor kitchen becomes more convenient when there is not only a grill nearby, but also a sink, a work surface, and a shelf for small items. A long wooden planter makes the fence not an empty wall, but a background for plants, where roses and greenery look much more expressive. Such an area is easy to fit into the garden. Dense greenery covers the background, and the fire becomes a natural center of communication. Such a structure is good because it can be placed by the fence and get a place for relaxation without a bulky sofa or chairs. Multi-level planting adds volume. Low flowers remain in front, while taller plants rise closer to the center. Rough wood looks good among grasses and flowers, especially when the structure is not painted and keeps its natural texture.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.